Good day, kids! How are you? Have you been vaccinated before? What did you feel? Were you scared? Our story for today is about a dog that doesn't want to get vaccinated. Let's find out what Biko and his friends went through in our story. I'm scared of vaccination. Written by Sara Ilio Jaime and illustrated by Chuck Rod Neil Talud. Faster and faster, farther and farther, the puppy Biko runs away from the community center shouting, "I don't want to be here! Biko? Biko! Where are you?" shouted Bruce, Biko's owner. Bruce is looking for Biko in all corners of the community center, inside and out, but Biko is nowhere to be found. Many dogs and cats are waiting patiently with their owners. As Biko ran, he reached the house of Bik Bik, his best friend, the cat. "Bik Bik, please help me! I don't want to get vaccinated!" shouted Biko as he tried to catch his breath. "Come in! What happened to you, Biko? Why do you look so scared?" asked Bik Bik. "There's free anti-rabies vaccination for dogs and cats at the community center. Bruce said I need to get vaccinated because I am 3 months old now," said Biko. "Biko, Bruce is right," Bik Bik answered slowly. "In fact, Betty, my owner, will be taking me to the community center," she added. "Don't you want to be a superhero?" "But I don't want to get vaccinated. Maybe it'll hurt. Maybe I'll get sick after getting vaccinated. Or worse, maybe I'll die because of it," wailed Biko. "Wait, what did you say again about being a superhero?" "You know, Biko, Betty explained to me all about the vaccine. We do not carry rabies when we are born. It is a disease that we might get from the saliva of other dogs and cats that are sick with rabies. That is why it is important that we get vaccinated so we don't get rabies," explained Bik Bik. "When we receive vaccination, our bodies develop protection against diseases such as rabies. Then we develop our superpowers. Once we're vaccinated, we will not easily get sick, and we can no longer pass on rabies to our loved ones, such as Bruce and Betty," continued Bik Bik. "And when all the dogs and cats in our community are vaccinated, there will be more superheroes to fight against the disease. Then no one in our community will ever get infected with rabies," added Bik Bik. "Oh, so that's what it means," Biko's reply while nodding in agreement with Bik Bik after hearing her explanation. "Thank you very much, Bik Bik. I now understand why I need to be brave. It is important for our protection, as well as the protection of our loved ones, like Bruce and Betty, and the entire community. All right, I am ready to return with you and Betty to the community center now. I'm sure Bruce is already looking for me," said Biko. Biko went to the community center together with Betty and Bik Bik. When Bruce saw his puppy, he immediately greeted him with a joyful hug. Bruce thanked Betty for bringing back Biko to the community center for vaccination. Biko and Bik Bik received their anti-rabies vaccines from a veterinarian. Once done, they were given vaccination cards as proof of their vaccination.
You're right, Bik Bik. Vaccination isn't painful, and I feel strong already. Finally, we're done with it,
said Biko.
I am now a superhero! Wait! Being a superhero doesn't end there, Biko. We need to get booster shots every year so that our protection stays strong. Today, we commemorate the anniversary of our vaccination. It is easy to remember because today, September 28, is World Rabies Day, which means every year on World Rabies Day, we need to get revaccinated against rabies,
reminded Bik Bik.
Okay then, Bik Bik, let's meet every year on World Rabies Day and get vaccinated. Promise, I won't be scared anymore,
said Biko with a smile. Kids, I hope you learned a lot in our story. Ask your parents or guardians to coordinate with your local government veterinary office to know more about anti-rabies vaccination schedule in your area. And like Biko and Bik Bik, always remember the importance of getting vaccinated. Until next time, bye!